Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I make my natural hair moisturizer using raw shea butter. It's a super easy recipe that helps to moisturize dry hair and define your natural curls. For this moisturizer, you only need 3 ingredients: unrefined shea butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. So start by measuring 1 cup of shea butter. I like using unrefined shea butter because it's chemical free and has no preservatives, and it still has its original nutty scent. However, if you're not a fan of the nutty scent, you can always use refined shea butter, which will be white in color due to the bleaching process, and normally it won't have that scent. That way you can actually add your favorite essential oils, and you can also create your own scented shea butter mix. So next, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, just blend all your ingredients together. Now guys, if you want a creamier texture, just add like some additional oil and blend until you have the consistency that you desire. So next, I'm adding hot water that I boiled. I'm going to add it to a bowl to create a double boiler effect, which is going to help me melt the butter. Just stir the butter until it's melted. So next, I cover my melted butter and I place it in the freezer so that it can harden up, but I only want the top layer of the butter to be hard, so it's only going to be in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. You don't want it completely frozen. And now I'm just going to start blending it again. I'm just going to add 1 more teaspoon of olive oil to help soften the butter even more. So I'm just going to take a storage bag and I'm going to fill the bag with my shea butter. So I'm going to squeeze all the butter to the corner of the bag and go ahead and fill my jar with the shea butter. Guys, look how creamy and soft this mixture is. Yes, I want to get every ounce of shea butter into my jar. It's so decadent. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I'm just going to store this in the jar until it's time for me to moisturize my hair. It's a super simple and easy recipe to give your hair life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.